always travel with a credit card with benefit. Now, it doesn't have to be a specific travel card. I mean, if I look at my Visa, for example, my Visa Gold has a lot more benefit for traveler than a regular Visa Classic travel. Now, it would depend on the bank, it depends on a lot of things. And also, I know they're a bit less popular, especially when you're talking about Visa Gold and things like this, because they cost like $60 or $80 a year. Some will go all the way to $100 a year. But if you consider what they are offering you, and here we can just take the example of car rental, then you're gonna get that money back after 2 to 3 days of rental. So that's amazing. So for example, in my case, my Visa Gold gives me 28 days in a row of car rental. And I used to rent cars on a monthly basis. So basically I just rent them for 28 days and every month I'm changing the car. So I just go back to the dealer, not the dealer, sorry, the car rental company, and I would just have them redo another contract for either another car, because it's fun to change if you have the opportunity, or if you want to keep the same car, just change the contract again. And that will save me $30 every single day. That's about the amount that every company are charging for insurance. So if you go anywhere, you will always see damages or something like that. Then your car rental might be $25 a day, and your actual insurance might be $30. That's a lot. So honestly, having a card like that would work. For the benefit of hotel cancellation or trip cancellation, that's a bit more tricky. Generally, they will request a doctor confirmation, some kind of, if you say it's a death in your family, that they will request a death certificate, something like that. It might be a bit more complex. It's not straightforward. It's not just like basically you have damage on the car, it's apparent, there's a scratch, there's a, a dent, or you literally smash the car, break a window or something like that. That's very cut and dry. It's very easy to see. But in the case of insurance for travel, like I said, they will investigate a little more. It's more tricky. They're not just going to say, okay, no problem, we'll refund your entire trip because the day before you don't want to go anymore. So personally, I'm using it like 99% of the time strictly for the car rental insurance. But overall, you have other benefit. Check it out, look at it. And a lot of those cards will have also the benefit of having no fees for international transaction. So that's great. And once again, I've mentioned that before, make sure that when you travel abroad, you inform your credit card company, because even though it's a travel card, it's very important that you do that, because they can ban it if they believe that somebody else is using your card abroad. And in the meantime, make sure that you rent the car with that specific card. The fact that you have the card in your wallet and you rent it with another card because you have a benefit, a balance or something, and the other card doesn't, then that's a bit of an issue because they will not cover it. You have to literally put the rental on the card in order for it to be accepted.